Hello and welcome to a new tutorial on Tkinter. Today's tutorial will be a bit shorter than normal, but I wish to show you two specific features of Tkinter which should allow you to create better looking graphic user interfaces. The first is a general one, which is from Tkinter import TTK. What this is a sub-library of Tkinter which contains most of the common widgets we've seen so far, but recreated in a better, slightly more contemporary look. This should allow you to create better looking graphic user interfaces using the same commands we've seen so far, and with basically zero extra effort. The second feature we will see is instead in line with the title of today's video, and that is a separator. This is none other than a line which clearly separates different widgets, be they labels, buttons, text box, or anything else you may wish for. We can of course use an example to show how this works by writing first of all ttk.label. Let's use our new sub-library, and this will be root and then text equals first label. Then we can also add dot pack. In fact, we must add it. Then we can say ttk.separator, and this again will be root, then orient equals horizontal, and finally dot pack, and this time we can say fill equals x, and finally once again ttk.label, root, and then text is equal to second label. And of course, we end it with a dot pack. Now with that, we can now run the code, and we can see that we now clearly have two labels, the first and the second, separated as we expected by a line. The line can also be vertical in case we have labels next to each other, but in general, this is a very useful feature for clearly separating labels or buttons or other widgets which would otherwise have the same color and would therefore not be easily identifiable on their own. Having said that, I will now leave you to experiment some more with Tkinter, and of course, should you have any questions, then make sure to leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. As usual, I invite you all to show your support to the channel by liking the video, sharing it with your friends, and especially subscribing. I look forward to seeing you all again next week for another video, and until then, happy coding!